Right, it's the 29th of November 2022 and I'm in the conservatory and we're going to continue cleaning it out, and this is going to be we're going to start on this side. We'll go all the way around and see how far we'll get today, because it's blinking freezing cold. There's quite a bit of stuff to toss out, to be honest. I think the first thing to do is to move these old hoovers, which really should be scrapped, out of here and take them up into the lockup. Yeah, I think that's a good move. Very, very old, once again, from 33 Grey Road. I'm not sure if they were my mum's or we just inherited them. That's one moved. They're a fair old weight, mind. They're a fair old weight. It's turned out nice day now. There's one in the lockup. There's one light to sort out. Well, that's them out of the way. Two very old vacuum cleaners. Now in the lockup.